sinasabi, yung ino-objectan nila, sinasabi nila that we do not agree and you will, that they will continue to protect what they define as their sovereign territory. Of course, we do not agree with their definition of sovereign territory. So, wala namang pinagbago dahil ganun pa rin ang sitwasyon natin, ganun pa rin ang posisyon.